Welcome to my journey on building a Gundam and in-scale diorama. This is the first time I've taken on anything this large. I've done dioramas in the past, but mostly just kind of scale model stands for my Gundams. This time I wanted to make something a little bit more expansive, so I chose kind of a base with a hangar and train tracks. I will be 3D printing a lot of pieces as well. The hangar is going to be custom designed by me. I have 4 different 3D printers that I've used in the past for different projects. Right now all of them are going to be occupied with building or printing all of the 3D parts that I'll be using. In this one I'll be using the Code 55 track because I like the size of the ties that go in the railroad, and I'll be using Bachmann and some Kato train parts, box cars, locomotives. Right now the diorama is not going to be powered at all. It will just be a static piece. The plan is to eventually build enough dioramas to hook it all together and get a running train. I'll be basing it mostly off the Gundam anime from the older series. I'll be trying to use and find parts, tanks, vehicles, planes, and stuff like that from that area. I will do in the future other dioramas that are based upon different themes, maybe a steampunk theme, maybe an antique 1800s type theme, and I will tie all those dioramas together through the train tracks. This isn't a step-by-step series of videos that I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to film myself weathering, painting, putting together, assembling, gluing, all that stuff of the diorama, and just so you can see how I do and how I approach different things. Nothing's in stone. I don't have a definite plan other than the first layout, which itself will also change, and where that goes, well, we'll see. I also have my Transformer series on this channel where you can see me transforming, speed transforming, the Masterpiece Transformer series. So check those out if you have a chance.